Today we present to you an Italian traditional dish that embodies the perfect balance of flavors. Garganelli with fava beans and speck. Ingredients: 320 grams of garganelli, fresh egg pasta, 200 grams of fresh shelled fava beans, 100 grams of speck, 1 small chopped onion, 80 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, fresh mint leaves for garnish. If you are using fresh fava beans, remove their outer skin after boiling them for a few minutes in boiling water. In a large skillet, sauté the chopped onion in the extra virgin olive oil until it becomes translucent. Cut the speck into strips, add it to the skillet, and let it brown slightly. Add the fava beans to the skillet and cook everything for about 5 to 7 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to your taste. Meanwhile, cook the garganelli in plenty of salted water following the package instructions until they are al dente. Drain the pasta, preserving some of the cooking water. Transfer the garganelli to the skillet with the fava bean and speck sauce, adding a little bit of the cooking water to bind everything together. Mix everything well in the skillet for a few minutes, allowing the pasta to absorb the flavors of the sauce. Turn off the heat and add the Parmesan, stirring until it has completely melted. Serve the garganelli hot, garnished with fresh mint leaves if desired. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any tasty recipes, and visit our website to discover other delicious dishes. Garganelli is a pasta shape typical of Emilia-Romagna, and the addition of sweet fava beans and smoked speck creates an irresistible combination of flavors. Enjoy your meal, and see you at the next recipe.